Dr. Brown's Baby Bottle Cleaning Brush is an essential tool for all parents looking to maintain cleanliness and hygiene for their baby's feeding accessories. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I am pleased to provide a professional review for this product. The Dr. Brown's Baby Bottle Cleaning Brush is designed to meet the needs of parents who prioritize cleanliness and ease of use. The brush is made up of high-quality plastic material, ensuring durability and longevity. The plastic handle offers a comfortable grip and allows for easy maneuverability. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. The brush can be used for various purposes, including cleaning bottles, sinks, and even in dishwashers. This makes it a convenient and practical tool for busy parents who value efficiency. The dimensions of the brush, measuring at 2L into 2W into 10H, make it compact and easy to handle. It can fit into small spaces, making it suitable for travel.